Well, we've got two bifold doors which open up completely, so we finish up with really just a roof and a corner post, so it's an outside-inside room. It's just fantastic. So that in the summertime we can use this as a dining area with all the windows open, and it's like eating outside, and if there's a bit of a shower then it doesn't matter because we're kept dry. It's just perfect for what we wanted. The representative had been more understanding as to what we were trying to achieve than the other guys, and the fact that he redesigned what we wanted to meet our aspirations as opposed to just providing us with a conservatory. The whole thing just went very smoothly, more smoothly than I'd anticipated it would. We did require some external doors at the back of the house. We had wooden doors that had swollen and stuck, and so I wanted to go for composite doors because I knew that they'd be problem free, and EYG was the natural place to go. And I knew in my mind what I wanted to pay, and EYG's price spot on.